I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with good inputs. Pick RAW or the highest resolution JPEG and keep an unchanged copy. Next, load images into your chosen AI editor and select a model preset that matches your goal. Now apply quick global fixes, exposure, white balance, and basic noise reduction to give the AI consistent data. These first edits guide the algorithm. Make sure to set output size and format before heavy edits, so the model optimizes for the right resolution. Once globals are stable, move to localized refinement. You should create masks for subject, background, and sky so the AI edits only intended areas. This prevents haloing and preserves depth. Then fine-tune color grading and contrast regionally, pushing shadows and highlights while protecting midtones. Apply AI retouching selectively, smooth skin, restore texture, enhance eyes, or sharpen detail. Make small increments and toggle preview to compare. This layered approach keeps edits realistic, while leveraging AI strengths for texture and tone. Finish by exporting to the required format and embedding the correct color profile for your destination. Before finalizing, inspect at 100% for artifacts, banding, or unnatural edges created by aggressive AI processing. If issues appear, reduce the AI effect strength, refine or simplify masks, and reprocess problem areas step by step rather than all at once. As a key troubleshooting tip, if halos or smudges persist, revert to the original layer and blend the AI out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.